Today I'll be showing you how to add filter in Excel. To begin, open up the data you want to filter. Then you select all the data and you click on the data tab. Now you locate and click on filter. Now you will see that this drop down button appears on all the columns. Now if you like to select only a preferred data, like for example, you want to select only the name Zion, you click on the drop down beside the names section. Now you unselect everything here and you select the Zion you want to show. Then you click on OK. Now you can only see the names Zion appears on the sheet. To remove this filter, you click on the drop down, then you select all and you click on OK. Then it reverts your sheet or your data back to its original state. To remove the filter button, you click on the filter again and it is now in the original state. The second way to add filter to your data is to click anywhere in the data table, within the data table. Then you click on your Home tab. Now you locate and click on Sort and Filter. In the drop down menu that appears, you click on Filter and it brings the same process as the first one. The drop down arrow, you can click on any one, you unselect all and only select the one you want to filter, and only numbers with this appears. So that is how you filter in Excel. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.